Hello?
Congratulations. You have an unclaimed reward in the amount of $100. Please press 1 now for all the exciting details. Again, that's a $100 reward we have reserved.
That sounds sick.
Thank you for calling Rewards Department. This is Mary Lopez. To claim your rewards, what is your first name and your last name?
Brian. Rock.
And your last name is?
Rock.
Thank you for that. We want to make sure that we are not speaking or dealing to a minor. What is the year that you were born?
2000.
Thank you for that. Congratulations, Brian. Because upon checking here in my system, you are entitled to receive a $100 online gift card where
For
you
what?
can choose from thousands of names, brand items at numerous online stores. That's a good question.
Is
Because
it?
recently you have purchased something, either online through a catalog or from one of over 800 marketing retailers. That's why they listed you, Brian,
Wait,
as
miss,
one
miss,
of
miss.
our valued and active.
You Jew. Hey, so can that gift card work for like Adam and Eve?
I'm sorry?
Can they work for Adam and Eve?
Okay, you can use this to any type of purchase you want, okay? So
Okay.
right now, what is your best mailing address, Brian, to properly send you rewards?
My address, here, I'll give it to you.
Yes, so what is your best mailing address?
My house address?
Yes, for us to properly send you rewards.
Oh, okay. Here, one second. I gotta see what it exactly is.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what is the best mailing address?
13710 Central Avenue.
Okay, the city, state, and zip code.
The state and zip code?
Yes.
Maryland, 401. Wait, 2721.
It's 2721.
20721.
Thank you for that. Along with your rewards, Brian, in the same package, you will also receive some paper information about our new money savings program that is available in your area. And Brian, this is just only for you to look it over. And if you happen to like it, that would be great. But if not, that's perfectly fine. Keep in mind that regardless of your decision, the rewards that I've mentioned is still yours to keep and enjoy. Expect your package within 5 to 7 business days, and once you receive it, you are not limited to what you can purchase. Anything from merchandise,
Are you in the Ku Klux
clothes,
Klan?
electronics. Sorry?
Are you in the Ku Klux Klan?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So anything from merchandise, clothes, electronics, and medicine, all the way down to the groceries. And
Oh,
the best part of
medicine.
it, Brian,
Oh, that's
it
good.
is
I need some more
valid for
Viagra.
1 whole year. So right now, the only thing that you are responsible for is to help us forward the small shipping and handling of $5.90 to send everything to you today, and that's absolutely it.
Oh, I gotta
I believe
pay.
you can
I don't know,
handle
lady.
that,
See, I'm
right?
kind of poor. Damn, like I buy McDonald's to eat.
Mhm. Okay, Brian, but upon checking here in my system that you are a card holder, and that is the main reason why you have been eligible for this reward. You used one of your cards and you purchased something in one of over 800 marketing stores. That's why they listed you as one of our valued and active consumers, making you
Okay.
eligible to receive this rewards as our way of saying thank you.
Here, I'll give
So
you my
whatever
card.
type of card is that?
Wait, why?
It
You sound really funny. You sound cute, like low key. Want to smash?
Okay, thank you for that. Okay, so can you state to me the expiration date of that card?
Oh yeah, 1 second. Okie dokie. 4321. Oh, Jesus Christ, I hate Jews. Don't you too?
Okay.
Don't you hate Jews?
And the next number is?
What was that?
The next number. What is the 16-digit card number?
The next what?
So what is the 16-digit card number of your card?
Oh, the card number? 5678?
Yes. Uh-huh.
9012.
One family can now get different unlimited plans. No matter what plan you choose, get it on the network.
And?
Plan starting at
And Jews 31?
Thank you for your time. Are you, Brian, are you interested to process your rewards?
For AIDS? Is that what you said? If I want STDs?
Are you interested to process your rewards?
Interested in what?
Thank you for your time and patience, Brian, and have a great day. God bless.